Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to do another Godzilla crossover, and in this one, I'll be showing you how to do Godzilla and Bloop in a nice, fun hybrid combo. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Bloop Godzilla crossover, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm just going to make a small circle for the eye. Next, right here, I'm going to draw this line that's going to come down and that's going to kind of curve back a little bit. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come back and then come down. Next, let's go ahead and add a couple little lines on here for some detail. And a little line underneath here. Next, let's draw a line that's going to come up and down with a couple little bumps right here for like the eyebrow. Over here for the nose, let's bring this line out, and then we're just going to kind of bring it down. Then let's bring this line down to here. We'll kind of color in just a little bit there. Next, I'm going to bring this line down just a little bit. I'm going to bring this down, and then I'm just going to bring this back to here. And then we're just going to bring this line down for the mouth. Let's add a couple little lines right here for some detail. Let's bring this line down and back. And then let's bring this line down. And then we're going to go over and kind of bring it up. Let's jump back up here. Let's bring this line over, and then we're just going to kind of bring this down with like a wiggly line. Let's do the same thing here. Kind of bring this down a little lower and then come down. And then we're just going to kind of continue to do this a few more times right to here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down, and we're going to kind of curve up for like the jaw. And then we're just going to kind of do this a few more times, kind of bring this over and around. Now, starting here for like the flipper, let's bring this line down to here. I'm going to make this kind of curve to a point and then back. I'm going to make this curve to a longer point and back. And then let's make one more curve here. And we're going to bring this up and then in. Let's bring this up and down, and then we'll do one more here. Kind of like a cross between a flipper and an arm. Let's add a couple little curved lines right around here. Then let's add a few little curves here with a couple little lines just for like some claws. Then we'll just bring this line over. I'm going to make a couple more little lines. I'm going to kind of bring these up just a little bit. And then I'm going to bring these lines up over here just a little bit with some curves. Next, for the tail, I'm going to make kind of like this jagged, kind of pointed, little wavy line for the end of the tail. Kind of make it look almost like a Godzilla spike at the end. I'm going to make the other kind of flipper over here. So I'm going to make a line that's going to kind of come down and up, and then one more here, down, and we're going to bring this up. Then we'll draw this line across so it looks like we're seeing the bottom part. We'll also put a few little curves here and just a small little half line by each one. Now let's add the teeth in here. So I'm going to begin here, and I'm just going to make some sharp pointed teeth coming right across here. We're going to make these come all the way down to here. And then let's make some more down here. We're going to bring these up to right about here. I'm going to start here, and I'm going to bring this line down, and we're going to go right to here. Then I'm going to make a little row of teeth. So I'm going to make some sharp pointed teeth right here, and then some teeth right here. Then I'm going to make just some little lines like right in between here, and then just make another line right here. Now over here, I'm going to make some of Godzilla's kind of like gills. So I'm just going to make a couple little curved lines right here. And then we want to add some spikes on here. Now we're going to kind of make these look a little bit like Godzilla's dorsal plates. So I'm going to start, and I'm just going to make some smaller, kind of jagged, 3 to 4 point little spikes on here. So we're just going to make these 3, 4, even some 5 point ones. And we're just going to put these all the way down here towards the tail. Next, in this next row, we're going to make these kind of come up and then kind of curve back a little bit. So we're just going to make these kind of curve back here with all these different little points on them. Just like this. I'm going to put one more up here. It's just kind of closer towards the head. Next, starting right here, I'm going to make some, like a little bit of like a wiggly kind of broken line that's just going to kind of come right around here and down towards the tail. Then I want to come in here and add some fun details. So I'm going to make some kind of long, kind of broken lines that just kind of run down the face here. And then a few broken lines kind of here. And then a few up by the nose too. We'll make some curved ones here. And we'll make some little lines kind of coming back. Let's kind of make some just little broken lines kind of coming down the body here. Just to give it a little bit of texture and some detail. We'll make some little lines here, and some lines across the body. We'll make some little extra lines in some different spots right along the tail. And then we're just going to make some extra little lines kind of coming down the spikes here. Just to give it some texture on there. Do some lines kind of coming across here. And then a few over here too. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Godzilla and Bloop crossover. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.